Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your infrastructures on the Lords mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Lords mobile game on your device, and once you have completed the basic tutorial levels or logged into your existing account, you will be taken into your kingdom. Now from here, you will need to establish various different kinds of barracks, bases, infirmary and watchtowers. And as you progress further within the game, you will also need to upgrade these resources. So in order to upgrade any infrastructure, just tap on the infrastructure that you wish to upgrade, and you will now see the upgrade button. Go ahead and tap on it, and then tap on upgrade once again. And this will now begin the upgrade of your infrastructure that you have selected. You may also find the free speed up option in the beginning of the game. Just tap on this in order to eliminate the wait time to upgrade your resources. Once you have upgraded the infrastructure, the capacity will increase and you will be able to compete with bigger forces. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to upgrade your infrastructures on the Lords mobile game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.